Hi guys, I'm sorry I look bad. I'm just chilling at my house. My job is on a hiatus until everything is cleared up with the coronavirus. I'm sure a lot of people are dealing with that right now. But that's my printer. I have an online store that I've been making like BTS items for. I showed you in my last video I made like bracelets. I started making some chokers. I'm going to be making a lot more, and I'm being pushed to do that faster because I now lost my job and have a bunch of free time. So today I will be making kind of like a vlog slash watch me try to do this. I just printed out some of the photos, or I guess like just a page of all the BT21 characters. I was like, I could learn how to embroider that, and then I could sell them as a pack, and you could just like glue them on your clothes, or like find an adhesive to put them on that, or like whatever you want to put them on. Or maybe once I figure out how to do all of this, I can put it already on like iron-on paper, I guess, or fabric. So that is what I will be doing today. Okay, I got all of the characters, put them on paper, and printed it out. I have, if my cow will get off of it, I have my little embroidering thing. I don't even know what it's called. I got a pack of every color because I was like, I'm gonna need a lot of different colors for all these different characters, and I think the cookie one is so spot on, so I'm pretty excited to do that. And Tata. Okay, I put it underneath here. I'm going to copy them and then just start embroidering. Okay guys, I know that I kind of already started a like intro to this, but I just wanted to talk really fast and say, like, I know the coronavirus is scary and affecting a lot of people. For me, I'm an actor. All of the shows and movies I've been working on are on hiatus for the next like 2 to 3, maybe 4 or longer weeks. So I don't have a job currently. That's kind of scary because I want to be able to afford existing. I'm really nervous BTS is going to cancel their tour. I mean, obviously that's the right thing to do. I'm nervous for them because they've worked really, really hard and they haven't even been able to perform like in front of anybody like at all yet. Like, I know they worked really hard and they've been saying like it's hard to perform that and not see your guys' faces and everything, and I just feel so bad. Like, I don't want to cry, but like that's so they just mean everything to me and I don't want them to be sad. Yeah, but yeah, it's a really scary time. Like, I really don't know what is going to happen at all. I was supposed to go to iHeartRadio Awards in LA and that is canceled. I can't go anymore. I really was hoping to go and see if like the boys won or like anything, but instead I will be here quarantined in my house in Georgia, and I started making these. This is what this video is going to be. I started making these for my little shop. I just started today. I'm going to make like embroidered BT21 characters, like their faces, and see how that works out. I bought a bunch of goodies, so that's super exciting. I'm going to be making a lot of stuff during this quarantine period, and if you guys want me to make something, I definitely will. Like, I have some jackets and stuff I want to make. I really like want to just be able to live my life normal and make like cute videos and like make clothes and make like merch and stuff, but it seems like for the time being it will be a little difficult to do those things. But if you guys have any suggestions for like artsy things that you want me to make, I can do them at my house. That would be really cool. Also during this period, if you guys don't school, you all are quarantined also, then and like you need someone to talk to or you're super bored, you can always message me on Twitter, message me on Instagram. As soon as I see it, I'll get back to you. I know it's like a really hard time, like I've said, for everybody, so you know, I'm here for you. Yeah, that's it. So also my last video is my giveaway. Please watch it or just comment whatever you need to do for the giveaway and you'll be entered into that. It's really cool. I love giveaways, so I thought it would be really cool to give back to people. I know sometimes it's hard to find like merch or like cool things in the States. Also, the Fila collab they did is so cute. I wish it was here. Anyways, but yeah, so I know I said I'd announce the winner when it hits like 1,000 subscribers. I'm like 600 away, but I've been gaining kind of quickly, so if you like share that or like it, hopefully it will get to other people. And then as soon as I hit that 1,000 followers, literally that night, going to like go to a generator, put everything in and find a winner and ship it out like the next day. So yes, this is what it looks like completed. I started doing Ming Wong. I don't really know, but I started doing that. I did it the same color because on some photos and plushes it looks the same. On others it's a little bit lighter. So I'm just kind of playing around with it, just trying to do every character to get a feel for it. I really want to do one, just like one whole one, maybe bigger than this, of Tay. Also, look at my laptop. We have Beeman. He looks so cute. Anyways, yeah, so cute. If you guys want me to do a certain character or a person or just anything, I will definitely do it. It was really fun, and yeah, thank you for watching.